How to fix programs. Opening on second monitor instead of main monitor. First method, you want to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now, once you're on in this, you're going to have all your monitor right here. You want to make sure that you have your main monitor selected, and then you want to tick. Make this my main display if it was already ticked. Then in that case, you want to click on Identify. And now you want to click on your other monitor, and then you want to take me this my main display now. Once your other monitor is on your main display now, you want to go back to your original monitor that you want to be your main display. You want to click on it, and then you want to click on Make this my main display here, and then you want click on Apply if it comes up here. So basically, you just want to reset it again. So make this your main display, your other monitor, and then make your original monitor your main display again. And now for the next method you want to try. You want to click on the Windows button and P at the same time on your keyboard. So let's do that right now. Windows P, and let's say that it's on second screen. Only you want to try PC screen only, and then you want to try extend. You want to try both these options, see if that works for you. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.